My superstars, I went to find out the cost of materials you need to start palm oil storage business in Nigeria.
Hi superstars! In this video, I'll be giving you an update on palm oil business in Nigeria. Okay, I'll be telling you the price of palm oil, the price of jerry cans. Okay, by the end of this video, you should be able to know the price of palm oil, the price of jerry cans, and if it's time to start palm oil storage business or not. So my superstars, stay with me. Alright, so this year, so many people are really looking out to start palm oil business in Nigeria. Last year, palm oil was fantastic. Lots of people made maximum profit. Some people made 100% profit, while some people made more than 100% profit. Okay, this has made so many people anxious and looking forward to start palm oil business in Nigeria. All right, so as a result, lots of people are worried. They want to know if the price of materials have dropped, if the price of palm oil have dropped. Lots of people have been reaching out to me to ask me, Heidi, has the price dropped? Is it time? Is it time? Don't worry, my superstars. I said I'll be giving you updates from time to time. That means I'll be telling you the price of palm oil from time to time. And for as many as want to start, when you hear the price that is suitable for you, that's best for you, you can delve in and buy and store. Okay, so don't be worried. All right, my superstars. So today I swinged by the market because for a while I couldn't get to find out the exact price of jerry cans. So today I went to the market personally to make inquiries about jerry cans.
This is a market in Akwaibom State, Uyo, and so many people are yet to resume fully for the new year. But those who sell utensils and jerry cans have opened right now. So I'll be taking you to where they sell jerry cans so you can hear for yourself the actual price of jerry cans as at today in the market. Good morning. Do you have a white 25 liters?
Yellow dey.
Yellow. White no day. Good morning.
I don't want that color. Give me black.
120.
The yellow is how much?
The 120.
The ye-
45.
4 5.
Come, this your black, not there for the other one. You know there for the other rubber. I tell you.
And the price of yellow jerry cans as at today is still 4,500 naira. While white jerry cans, some people are selling 5,000 naira, and it's not in abundance right now. You know, due to the end of the year celebrations, Christmas and New Year celebrations, so many companies who are involved in jerry can production had paused for a while. As such, the jerry cans in the market right now is very limited. It's not much. Okay, so I reached out to the lady who sells jerry cans for me, and she told me she's expecting jerry cans by the end of next week. I asked her, will the price drop by the end of next week? She said no, that the last one she sold was 4,900 naira. Okay, that she's not sure the price will drop. I was like, when is the price going to drop? She said she's not sure the price is going to drop. But my superstars, I would suggest we have patience. Since they are just starting production, it may take about few weeks before they start having enough jerry cans in circulation. But if you're worried that the price might increase more than 5,000 naira, because I started hearing speculations that the price of jerry cans will increase, that it may increase more than 5,000 and all that. If you're worried, you can go ahead and buy at 5,000 naira, 4,900 and keep. But if you are confident that, like I am, that it may drop between now and end of this month, then you can go ahead and wait. Okay, so right now I've given you two options. For people who want to go ahead and buy, you can go ahead and buy. But for me, I'll keep waiting. I trust that it will drop by the end of this month. Okay, but if you're worried, you can go ahead and buy some. Okay, let's see if it will drop by the end of this month. You know, the thing right now is that so many things are not predictable. All right, before now we could predict the price of palm oil, we could predict the price of jerry cans, but the way things are right now, the way things are going every day, the price of things keep increasing, increasing and increasing, so it makes it difficult to predict. But I trust that it will drop. That's why I'm waiting. Okay, all right, so that brings us to the price of palm oil.
Okay, so my superstars, I stopped by the mill to find out the current price of freshly milled palm oil. Okay, so as you know, I go for freshly milled palm oil, not storage. Okay, so the price of freshly milled palm oil is always higher than stored palm oil because the quality is 100% and it is fresh, unlike stored palm oil. So I went to find out the current price for people who are interested in buying freshly milled palm oil. The price of palm oil is never constant, it fluctuates. You might hear a price today, and tomorrow you hear another price. That's why it is always different, okay? And if you ask me, tell me you want palm oil, I'll tell you to wait. Let me find out the current price because it is never constant, it fluctuates.
The price of palm oil as at today in Akwaibom State Rio for freshly milled palm oil is 51,000 naira. Yes, while stored palm oil is still 49,000 naira. Okay, the price of palm oil has not yet dropped. Okay, the demand is still high while the palm oil itself is still low. That's why the price is still high. Okay, so we are still waiting, and we trust that as more palm fruits keep ripening and people harvest and process into palm oil, that the price will gradually drop. This year, palm oil business has recorded a different trend altogether. At this time of the year, the price used to drop gradually, okay, and people who need for consumption can go ahead and buy, all right, but right now, the price is still high up there. So we are still waiting. And for those who want to start palm oil storage business in Nigeria, now is not the right time. Palm oil is still expensive. Like I said, it's still 51,000 naira in Akwaibom State to you, while storage palm oil is still 49,000 naira. So it's not the perfect time to buy and store. Okay, for people who want to buy and resell, it is fantastic. You can buy and add your profits and resell. Okay, for people who want to use it for industrial purposes, you can choose to buy stored palm oil and use it for production or whatever it is you want to produce. Okay, my superstars. So let's keep holding on and keep looking out. I'll keep bringing updates from time to time. The year has started and I have activated. So I'll make sure that every Monday on this channel I drop updates on the latest price of palm oil and materials. So watch out. Okay, my superstars. All right. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. All right. Have you liked this video? Please give me a thumbs up as this will encourage me to know that there are people who are interested in these updates and it will encourage me to keep bringing more videos like this. All right, my superstars, thank you for watching. I trust that this year will be a great palm oil year for every one of us. All right. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, super